Okay, so that's looking pretty good. There's always a little bit of cleanup to do. Just kind of rounding it out, taking the gouge, just kind of taking some of these high points down. I'll clean up a little bit later, but I've got a lot of that to do. And for the beard, what I usually do is take this gouge, kind of sketch it out. He's looking a little bit more this way, so I want the beard to kind of flow with the way that he's looking. All right. Looking for, sometimes these, here they are, they just disappear on you. So I'm going to undercut just a little bit. And I've got the U-gouge here, and I'm just going to carefully, with nice flowing cuts, just make that kind of go like that. And I'm going to use this and just kind of keep going with that. And then I've got a smaller one here. And I'm going to use that as well. But the idea is that you want to texture every piece of this beard to make it look realistic. Once I get the gouge work done, I'll show you how I define that just a little bit to make it look a little bit more like a natural beard. Okay, so I've got the beard and the mustache done, and I've used that U-gouge just to kind of simulate the hair. But now I'm going to take the V-gouge and just kind of selectively go into some of these places where I've used the U-gouge just to give it a little bit more definition like here. then in the end I'll lightly sand it. And I'm just going to keep doing this just to give the hair in the beard a little more realism. About like this. You really do have to go over every square inch of the beard. Just don't give it a few little pushes. You've got to go over every bit of it, because when you paint it, what you haven't touched stands out. Okay, so the next thing I'm going to do is kind of take this back a little bit and start working on the brim. Oops. Okay, the next step is to use this and shape out along that line and do a little bit of roughing out. But he's looking pretty good. Okay, so now what I'm going to do is I'm going to start carving the cap, and because he's looking a little bit more towards his right, or his left rather, I'm going to make the cap kind of go that way too. So you just want to blow the wood out that you don't need. Okay, so I'm going to keep going like this, using this blade to shape out the little tassel on the end. Okay, folks, there he is. I did undercut underneath the cuff here a little bit, but that's pretty much it. It'll look really nice when he gets painted up.